Hey y'all, Wazo Brown, barber, hairstylist, singer-songwriter. In fact, I've got music right here on this platform, YouTube. But today, I'm a handyman. My sister asked me to replace this mailbox that's seen its better days. Good thing I know how to turn a few screws and use a wrench, hammer and the nails. Well, I'm gonna show you how. Shouldn't take you any more than about 20 or 30 minutes. All right, so hang on. We're gonna show you how to do this. So we got us a new box. It's an extra large steel box. Took a measurement. It's 20 inches long, 8 inches wide. Now to attach this box, you're gonna need a base. This one is happens to be about 3/4 inch thick, and it's going to fit under the bottom of the mailbox. And we're going to attach it to the pole here. Then we'll attach the mailbox to the base. Screw it in, we'll be finished. Now to attach the mailbox to the post, you're going to need a base. Choose a piece of wood. This one's about 3/4 inch thick. Choose something that can stand up to the weather pretty good. We've already measured it. It's 20 by 8. So you're going to cut your base 20 by 8 so that it will fit underneath the base of your mailbox. Then we're going to attach this base to the post, and we're going to attach the mailbox to the base. All right, we're going to use screws to put it down, and we'll have the job finished. We don't need to do the pole. The pole's nothing wrong with it. It's already done, so no need to change the pole. Okay, you're going to center your base on your post. Then you're going to trace it, make sure it's centered, then trace it out. Trace it out so you'll know where you're going to attach your screws. Lay it there. Mark it where you're going to attach your screws. Okay, so we've got it laid out where we're going to put our screws. Okay, now that we've marked our holes that we're going to attach to, we're going to drill through. So now that we've drilled our holes and know where they're going to go, we're going to use these 3-inch screws to drill through the base into the pole. Just like that. Now that we have attached the base to the post, now we will attach the mailbox. Now once we have attached our box to the base, then we're going to mark our holes where we're going to attach it with the screws. Okay, once we have a mark, we'll take our drill into those areas, and then we screw right in, and we're almost done. There you have it, folks. It's all done, installed, brand new. Works like a charm. Hey, when you need something done, do it yourself. Wazo Brown, I'm out.